Now let's write the code for our loop function. And as basically the setup function will run first as soon as the Arduino board is powered up. And once it's done, then the loop function will run, and it will run repeatedly until the board is powered off. So, and if you recall from the um, previous video, that these two forward slashes indicate that there's just a comment there afterwards. So we don't need this. We can delete that. And so in our loop, we want to check the voltage um, on the inputs, and to be able to also turn the outputs on and off. So in other words, we're checking the voltage coming from our switch, and then we want to be able to turn the LEDs on and off as well. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll start with, let's see, put my cursor right inside a curly bracket, hit enter. I like to do that. It just helps for clean code if you start indented here. So switch state, okay, equal to digital. And now here's a new function, digital read. And we will open parentheses, to close parentheses, semicolon. Okay, so what's going to happen here is our switch state, remember our variable, okay? Our variable is going to, it's basically going to read the voltage state of pin 2, okay? Right now, switch state, the initial state that it's in 0. But then once it goes through setup, your program goes through setup, the switch state will look at pin 2 to see what is happening, okay? And if there's voltage on the pin, then it's going to read a value of high, or in this case it'll go to 1. And if pin 2 if there's no voltage at pin 2, then it's going to go back to 0. So that's what this line of code means right here.